Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Wish You Were Gay, and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So here's the structure for this song. I'll teach the verses and choruses together since they are pretty similar. Then we will go into the bridge and the last chorus. Now the whole song uses the same chords. The only difference between each section is going to be the strum patterns. So let's start off learning the chords. So the first one is an A minor, then to a D, then a G major 7, then an E minor, and then we're also going to be using a G. So this is the 5 chords that we're going to be using for this entire song. So starting off with verse 1, we're playing 3 lines of A minor, D, G major 7, and E minor. Then on the last line is going to be A minor, D, G, and G. So the strum pattern we're going to use for this is going to be 1 down strum. And then on the way back up, we're just going to mute the strings. We'll do that for each chord. So you guys can play along as I show you guys the example. This last one goes to G, so now what you just learned in verse 1, you can actually play it in verse 2. So now let's get into the chorus. The chorus is going to be the same 4 lines, but the only thing changing is going to be the strum pattern. So the strum pattern for that is going to be down, down, mute. So we're having the extra down strum. So this is how the entire chorus is going to sound like, and you guys can play along with it as I have it on the screen. So another thing that you can add into the chorus is this. And this is where it comes in, so. So going into the bridge, you're going to be using the same chords and strum pattern as the chorus. So A minor, D, G major 7, and E minor. And then on the last line, the 4th line is going to be 2 A minors, and then 1 D, and then the last 4 Ds are going to be 4 quick down strums. So finally, it's going to be the last chorus we're going to learn. So to break it down, it's 2 lines of A minor, D, G, with one down strum, kind of like the verse 1. Then 1 line of A minor, D, G major 7, E minor, using the chorus strum pattern. Then 2 lines of A minor, D, G, E minor, using the same chorus strum pattern. And then it ends with A minor, D, and G, with that one down strum as the ending. It's G, another line, then ends it. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.